How does injection molding work step by step? Injection molding is a plastic manufacturing process used to produce parts from thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic materials. In this process, plastic material is heated until it is in a pliable state, and then it is injected into a mold, where it cools and solidifies into the desired shape. The injection molding process is commonly used to produce a wide range of injection molded parts, from small components like toy figurines and bottle caps, to large parts like automotive body panels and appliance housings. Creation of a mold. The process of the injection molding cycle typically begins with the creation of a metal mold, which is a hollowed-out block of metal or plastic designed to shape the plastic material into the desired shape. The mold is typically made using a computer-aided design (CAD) program, which allows the designer to create a detailed, three-dimensional model of the part to be molded. Fix the injection mold into the injection molding machine. Once the mold has been designed and manufactured, it is placed into the plastic injection molding machine. These injection molding machines have several components, including a hopper for feeding the plastic material, a heating barrel for melting the material, a reciprocating screw for mixing and forcing the material into the mold, and a mold clamp for holding the mold in place. Heated the molten plastic material to begin the plastic injection molding process. The operator first loads the appropriate plastic material into the hopper and starts the machine. The material is then gravity-fed into the heating barrel, where it is melted by the heat generated by electric heating elements or gas burners. As the material is heated, it is mixed and plasticized by the reciprocating screw, which helps to ensure that the material has a uniform consistency and is ready for injection into the mold. Injection of the plastic material into the mold. Once the plastic material has been melted and mixed, it is forced into the mold cavity under high injection pressure. This is done using a hydraulically powered plunger or screw, which pushes the material into the mold with enough force to fill all of the intricate details of the mold. As the material fills the mold, it begins to cool and solidify, taking on the shape of the mold cavity. Open the mold and eject the product. Once the plastic has been injected into the injection molds, it is allowed to cool and solidify. This process typically takes a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the size and complexity of the part. Once the plastic has solidified, the mold is opened and the part is ejected. Additional processing. In some cases, the part may require additional processing after it has been ejected from the mold. For example, it may need to be trimmed or deburred to remove any excess material, or it may need to be painted or otherwise finished to achieve the desired appearance. Conclusion. Overall, the injection molding process is an important and widely used method for producing a wide variety of plastic parts and products. By creating a mold in the desired shape, heating and injecting molten material into the mold, and allowing the material to cool and solidify, manufacturers can quickly and efficiently produce a wide range of parts and products with precise dimensions and complex shapes.